In this video, we replaced the inner red tail light bulb on a 2002 Lexus ES300. This is the light that's out right here. Pop the trunk and locate the plastic clips. Remove two of them with a flat-bladed screwdriver. I'm filming this when the temperature is about 10 below, so I managed to snap off both of them. Peel back the carpeting to reveal the light bulbs. I'll be replacing the red light on the right. Give the bulb socket a quarter turn counterclockwise to the left and pull it out. Pull the glass bulb straight out of its socket. The part number you need for this bulb is 168. They're really cheap. I'll include a link for where to purchase them in the comments. Firmly press the new bulb into the socket. Orientation doesn't matter, just line up the slot. Then, put the bulb back in and twist it clockwise until it's snug. Reinstall the plastic clips, or not, and that's about it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Every click helps.